So I started out with this contact bank. It's called Cloud Supply. It's like mainly used for like trap kind of stuff, but so I just got this progression 1, 7, and 6. Then I just grabbed this piano. I wanted this kind of like grand piano vibe, so I just grabbed that. Grandeur, it's really good. So it's essentially, I've taken the same notes, then I just dropped them an octave down, and then I just layered like a simple melody, kind of like a counter melody on top. And I just did this kind of like note, I don't know what you call that, like a note accent. Just gives it a cool like plug kind of sound. Then the next section goes like this in response. So I just made like a sine wave lead. I've just got this bell in serum as well. So you can see there's a bit of a call and response happening. Then I just go down here, down the bottom into like the input section and click on resampling and then record arm this track. So essentially it's just going to record anything that it hears. So I just recorded these sections. So we've got this audio. And then I made a new track, dumped it in here, slice, pitched it up an octave, and then I just played around with the notes. Something that I do a lot, it's just a really nice way to flip your pre-existing melody and introduce something new. And it's got like tonal similarities, obviously, because it's the same audio. So altogether, that sounds like this. If you want to get a hold of this project file, check out my Patreon. I put up all of my project files on there, everything that's on YouTube. If you want to learn how I make melodies or what chord progressions I use, you can go in there and just kind of deconstruct them yourselves. Maybe give yourself a little bit more confidence in writing melodies if that's something that you struggle with, or analyze my new sampling technique. But yeah, so all of my project files are up there for my Patreon members. It's all included in the membership and I upload nearly daily. So check that out if you're interested.